back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be talking about how to give your hair a protein treatment without buying any product. Yes guys, it's possible to give your hair a protein treatment. It's possible to increase the health of your hair without actually buying any products, without actually spending a dime. So without further ado, let's just get started. In case you missed my last videos, I made a video on how to moisturize your hair, on how you can keep your hair moisturized without actually spending any money, like without actually buying any product. So I'll make sure to link those videos down below in the description box so you can check them out if you are interested. Unless I forget, here in this channel you are free to drop your questions, your challenges, your worries, whatever video you want to see from me, and what I do is to pick your questions, your challenges one after the other and make a video specially for you, because we are one big happy family and we are here to support each other, to encourage each other to attain our goals in our hair journeys. Now let's get right back into this video. So it's actually possible to give your hair a protein treatment without actually buying any product, believe it or not. And if you have been watching my videos, you know already that when I started my hair journey, I was not applying any product on my hair for like the first 3 years. I literally used just Profectiv styling to grow my hair to mid-back length. It was when my hair got stuck at mid-back length that I started researching different ways to make your hair grow longer. That was when I started watching YouTube videos. That was when I went online, started looking for different remedies and things like that. But I found that then that some of the products were quite pricey and I didn't really have much cash to spare for them at that moment, because I was a student back then. So I started looking for cheaper and budget friendly alternatives to actually moisturize your hair, to actually make your hair longer, to give your hair a protein treatment and all that. And that was when I came across different methods to moisturize your hair, different methods to give your hair protein treatment without actually spending a dime. And like I said, I already made a video on how to moisturize your hair without spending a dime, so make sure to check that out. Like I said, the link will be in the description box below. So those were what I used for about 1 to 2 years, and I actually saw results in overall length and health of my hair. So these methods have actually been tested. So I'm actually speaking from personal experience that this product actually helped me in my hair journey. Now coming back to the protein treatment, so the method I'm going to be talking about today is a DIY method, and you don't have to spend any money, like you don't have to buy any product. So the method I'm going to be talking about is rice water. I know many of us already know about this method, about the use of fermented rice water. Some people have rice conditioners now, like conditioners actually made from rice. So you can actually use rice water to give your hair a protein treatment, guys, and you don't have to spend any money. Just use the rice in your kitchen, the one you have already. There are different methods of using rice water. The way I make mine is through fermentation. So I use fermented rice water, and I already have a video on how I make my fermented rice water. So if I can find that video, I'll make sure to link it down in the description box as well, so that you guys can check it out. So that was what I was using back then to actually give my hair a protein treatment, and guys, the result I saw with this were tremendous. Like my hair became smoother, my hair became shinier. I actually noticed a difference in the color of my hair. My hair was darker in color, like I could not believe it. I know I have not seen any hair YouTuber talk about this before. I don't know if it's just me, but I noticed a difference in my hair color when I was actually using rice water, and the strength in my hair was actually strong. I could notice the increase in strength of my hair. So this method is actually bomb, guys, and there are different ways of preparing rice water. You can just boil the rice and use the water from boiling it, or you can ferment it. Some go as far as making their rice into a conditioner. I've not really tried this. The only method I've tried is actually the fermented rice water. I have not tried any other one, and this actually did wonders for my hair, guys. But but you want to make sure that when using this product you are very careful because it's a very rich protein treatment. So you have to make sure you are careful when using it so that you don't give your hair protein overload. You have to make sure there is that protein moisture balance. So when giving your hair a protein treatment with rice water, always make sure you follow it up with a moisturizing treatment or a moisturizing deep conditioner, or you can just use a moisturizing leave-in. Just add anything moisturizing. Then you want to make sure that you don't do it too frequently, like using it every 3 days, every 2 days. If not, you are going to give your hair protein overload, and when you give your hair protein overload, your hair will become very dry and then to start breaking. And then instead of seeing results with this method, you actually have a negative result because your hair will dry out and it will start breaking due to protein overload. So in as much as this is a good method, you have to make sure you are careful when using it. As long as you keep that protein moisture balance, you are bound to see results. Like, you'll be shocked. You say, is this my hair? You'll be amazed at how much length your hair can retain. So guys, you can see that you don't really have to spend money. You don't have to splurge on products. You don't have to go online and look for expensive products before you see length retention or before you improve the health of your hair. You can see that you can give your hair a protein treatment as well as keeping your hair moisturized without buying any product. And as so many of you know already, I am not a product junkie. I like to keep the products to a minimum because what has helped me in my hair journey so far, the main thing, like the number one thing, is not really products. Yeah, products helped me in one way or the other to augment my main regimen, to support my main regimen. But my main secret in my hair journey, like I always say, is protective styling. Learn to leave your hair alone and you'll be amazed at the wonders your hair can do for you. And if you've stayed with me to this point of the video, thank you so much. I appreciate your love. I appreciate your support. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have been so wonderful so far. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new here and you aren't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a video on YouTube. So that's basically it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.